Hey everybody, let me show you what I got going on today. I have a Lenovo all-in-one. This is an i7 7th gen, 16 gigs of RAM. A nice all-in-one touchscreen. The only problem it had is it had a regular hard drive in it. A 1 terabyte spinning disk. So we don't want that. So we're gonna upgrade, or we upgraded it to solid state drive. That's a Crucial MX500. Popped the back cover off, replaced it, and now she's purring like a kitten. So if you want to make computers great again, you got to upgrade that hard drive to a solid state drive. And that's what's going on right here right now at PC 911.